Hey everybody, Jay with LMR today. We are strapping down this 2007 GT that we have here. This car is actually a company vehicle. We take it out road racing occasionally and take it to the drag strip and a few other things we do with it. So far this car has a JLT cold air intake, BBK throttle body, Ford Performance intake manifold. It also consists of some BBK long tubes, off-road mid-pipe, pipes axle back, and it also has a Lund custom tune on this one. Other than that, it's pretty much stock bottom end, stock cylinder heads. So we're gonna strap it down, see exactly what she does, and give you some numbers. All right, so we just got done turning the rollers on this car, and it looks like we made 294 horse at 6,000 RPMs, and we have a torque figure of 293 foot-pounds of torque at 4,400 RPMs. That being said, this car has roughly about 171,000 miles on it, and she is a little weaker, but I mean, you normally see a little bit higher numbers out of most 3 valves with this kind of bolt-on application. But overall, she still runs good. All right, then other than that, make sure that you stay tuned for all our new videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for everything Mustang and Lightning related. Keep it here with the real enthusiasts at lmr.com.